Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fast growing gear site on the web, and today we're gonna uncrate the first manufacturing Maverick jacket. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we jump in and tell you all about this jacket from First Manufacturing, do us a favor, subscribe to that Speed Addicts channel. It's only gonna take you a second to click that button. That way you're not gonna miss out on our latest gear reviews. We're always working hard to educate you here and give you that first look on new product coming your way. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, we would appreciate it, and you can do so by simply shopping with us. There's going to be a link in the description below that'll take you right over to the First Manufacturing Maverick jacket at speedaddicts.com. While you're over there, feel free to shop for any other parts or gear you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. So First Manufacturing is one of our favorite leather manufacturers. They make excellent products for cruisers, Harley-Davidson, cafe racer, any sort of vibe where you're looking for kind of a classic leather look. Lots of different styles to choose from First Manufacturing. And today we are looking at the Maverick. So it's going to come in just the black that I have on. No other colorways available at the moment. $309 to $359 depending on what size you need. The bigger sizes are a little bit more expensive than the smaller sizes. And the cool thing about First is that it's really a great product in terms of their material. They are very buttery, supple leather jackets that are thick enough to provide that abrasion resistance and host a full suite of armor should you choose to purchase that separately. There's elbow pockets, shoulder, and a back protector pocket. So you can really dress this thing up to get max protection or wear it without armor and just have that abrasion resistance that a Cowhide is going to provide for you. The other thing we like about First Manufacturing is they never leave anybody out of their sizing scheme here. So for the standard sizing, you're going to see size small all the way up to 8XL. So pretty much anybody is covered there. Now, if you're a taller gentleman, you will want to pick the tall cuts, and those are available in size small through 5 extra large. And I'd say you're tall in the First Manufacturing sizing scheme. If you're like 6'3 plus, I'm 6'2", and their standard cut is feeling pretty good on me. Now, when it comes to how the Maverick specifically runs, it's going to run a half size larger than the sizing chart is going to show you. So let me explain. I'm usually large in all the First Manufacturing jackets, and I'm wearing the large in the Maverick, and it is a little roomy, okay? Large is for 44 to 46 inch chest, and I'm a 4. Usually the large fits me like right on the money. Now this one's got a little bit of room, which means I could run armor in it. I usually recommend moving up from the sizing chart if you're going to run a full suite of armor. But with the Maverick, you can probably just go right by the sizing chart, and because it runs a little bit bigger, you'll be good. I hope that makes sense. The other thing to consider when you are fitting a leather jacket is that it's going to break in around 10%. So after you wear this for a few months and put it through its paces, it's going to stretch out a little bit, so account for that. If it's a little snug out of the box, you might just break in to be just right. Now, when it comes to fit and shopping for gear online, you should shop with Speed Addicts because we're going to offer you no cost returns. That's right. We don't nickel and dime you for that return shipping label like those other jabronis. You know who I'm talking about. We're going to treat you like family. A couple clicks, you get the return label, get a different size, different color, different style, get your money back. Whatever you need to do, we're going to hook you up and treat you like family. To qualify, you need to live in the lower 48 states and make sure the gear is brand new in original condition. Okay, back to the jacket. We have a 1.2 millimeter drum-dyed naked cowhide leather construction. Like I said before, buttery soft. Really nice leather right out of the box. It's not going to be crunchy or stiff or anything like that, which is pretty awesome considering it's a sub $400 jacket. The armor pockets, which we covered before, are available in the elbows, the shoulders, and a back protector pocket. So you can soup this up and get max protection or just wear it in the nude, so to speak, without any of the armor installed. First Manufacturing has their own CE level armor you can purchase with the jacket, or you could go to someone like D3O and get a more stealthy armor if you don't want the bulky armor. I like D3O, their ghost armor. Doesn't take up a lot of room. It's going to give you that impact protection and protect them bones. Let's talk about the zippers, pockets, snaps, vents, all that good stuff here. So we have 2 pockets up top, just very simple pockets here that can fit a phone or a pack of smokes if you are a Marlboro man or woman. And then down low, we have zippered sleeves. So down here, this opens up nice and wide. You're gonna be able to fit over any sort of glove that you're trying to get over with this, and then zip it, cinch it down. There you go. You have ventilation in the upper arm area. This is not wide open. This is covered by mesh here. So if you want more airflow, you're gonna crank that open, and then you are going to have perforation in the back of your arm so that it will promote air moving through the jacket. When it comes to the ventilation and the warmth factor here, you do have a fully lined Maverick jacket, and the liner does go down the sleeve. So you can go from cooler temps up to more something closer to a summer or a mild temp here by opening up these vents and removing that internal liner. Other pockets here on the outside, you do kind of have your standard slash pocket. These ones are a little on the small side if you ask me compared to some of the other first manufacturing jackets, but they'll get the job done. If you need a little bit extra room at the waist, there's no cinches or anything here, but you do have a zippered gusset here. So you can open this up if you're sitting down your machine and the jacket's binding a little bit at the waist. Go ahead and scoot that up and you can buy yourself quite a bit of room. There you go. Now let's get to the inside. First manufacturing, always keeping it Second Amendment here. You have not one, but two concealed carry pockets with their signature bullet snap. So these are identical. They're just meant to suit either a lefty or a right-hander. We'll show you this one over on my left side. So you have the bullet snaps like I was talking about. You open those up. Inside you will have a tapered elastic holster. Let's see if I can pull that out and show that to you here. So see how that's stretchy? So that is made for your weapon. Down below, what you can't see are two more elastic bands that are meant to hold a magazine. So that is your capacity there. And again, you get the, if you're dual wielding or you're lefty, you have the symmetrical pocket over here on the other side. Like I said, this liner is meant to zip right out. Limited lifetime warranty from First Manufacturing, which is awesome. They really stand behind their products, and they're based out of New York. Up top, there are no buttons or anything. You're just going to get the zipper, and we'll zip this up so you can see what it looks like. YKK zippers throughout. They give you a little leather tassel pull, and we'll give you one last shot of the back before we sign off here. Underneath the arm, you notice there are also grommets. In addition to that perforated leather in the action back that gives you that arm and shoulder mobility to grab the handlebars, you've got some gussets under your arm. And that is the Maverick from First Manufacturing. You still got questions? Don't worry. Rider Sport's always standing by at speedaddicts.com, where you can talk to a human over the phone, live chat, or emails. If you got a Maverick jacket, you know what to do. Sound off in the comment section below. That's all I got for you. See you next time to find out what's in the crate.